I finally got a fender for the old Malibu. Hey Jed.
What's up, buddy?
You trying to
You gonna put the fender on that Malibu today?
it's all yours.
I don't know how to do it. I mean, I've heard it's held on by some bolts and stuff, but
Yeah, I found me a shop manual on how to take the fender off. Guess what the shop manual says? Remove fender bolts.
remove fender.
Remove fender.
Replace fender bolts.
Installation is opposite of
Yeah,
removal.
remove.
That's literally what it says. All right, let's get it.
Do you know what size
No.
those are? Let's go find out. You know, I'm gonna probably need this guy. So let's.
You're gonna need wrenches mostly,
That's.
because you can't get it hardly. You can't hardly get in anywhere with the ratchet. Is that a dog? It'll probably be metric. Time for her to go.
So it's off of there.
Oh, I gotta save this wire.
Are you saving it?
I'll get it later.
I'll grab it for you. Or will I?
I'm gonna pull on this so
Here you
if
go,
I break
bud.
it, I can be mad at myself.
Want that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get this fender out of here.
Are you shimmying and shaking enough?
Is that a drywall screw?
I don't know.
I don't think I'm shaking enough.
Oh, there's a screw.
It's a Phillips head screw, guys.
A Phillips head screw, like that, or does it need to be bigger than that? I can't hardly believe it. It looks like it has a hex head. Let me see the screwdriver.
It has a
Can you turn it?
head with a.
Oh, it is a hex head. All right, hold on. Don't do nothing. There's 3 of them.
Oh, all the way
I need
down?
that. I need that little bitty tiny socket that I was using.
7?
Oh, maybe.
Here you go, big dog. Right there.
Let me see if this will do it.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm just holding it.
I need a ratchet that's not this general. We're getting there though.
No, look.
Here's another screw. Here's another screw. Here's another screw. Here's another screw. Here's another screw.
You doing okay, Jake?
Here's another screw.
Doing okay, Jake?
Here's another screw.
Oh, he's got it right there.
It's right here. There it is.
Thanks, guy.
And my earplugs is falling out.
Brandon, you wanna take this? Is that the 13? It is. There's a bolt facing right up on that.
Whoa!
I got you. On that new fender. Down. See it right there? Yep.
Tucker, go away.
That one's gotta get down out of there.
Here's another screw.
Here, I'll take that. Thanks, guy. Whoa, 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 stuff's moving.
Would you like a fender?
Thank you.
I have one.
Alright, this is going to the scrap pile. Next to the shed back there, right?
Yeah. Here's another screw.
Here, I'll take that. Thanks, guy. Whoa, 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 stuff's moving.
Would you like a fender?
Thank you.
I have one.
Alright, this is going to the scrap pile. It's next to the shed back there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch your face, guys.
Yeah. Just eat it into the scrap pile.
Alright.
You can't do any more damage here, fender.
It's done. Done for.
It's done.
I wonder how the car looks just without a fender on it. Probably shouldn't do that. Alright. Alright.
Are you putting this part in the video?
No, the camera's not on. Yeah, it's recording now. Getting this pesky bolt out of here. Had to WD-40 it. Put some vice grips on the little clippy jig on the back. We're getting her now. Got an anchor there. Better than a bench vise, really. There we go.
Nice.
Right on. You trying to put that fender on the Malibu today?
Yeah, sure.
Did that help?
Yes. Do it again. More. Alright, a little less. There you go. Why don't you go in your hole?
If it makes you feel any better, the fender altogether is way too close to the... Oh, wait! We gotta get that inner fender tucked up under there.
We will. It beeped.
So we decided to do what you're supposed to do and bolt the inner fender to the fender before you try to put the car back together. So far it's looking like Yeah, this is the way you're supposed to do it.
That was a hassle. That thing.
Be one of those times where it would have been awesome to have the bumper off.
This goes over this, I think. Yeah.
Oh! Rub it right up against the outside of the door. Okay. You guys watching? A little crooked there.
I think this needs to go over this.
Yeah. So,
How did you just give it beams or?
tarnation.
Look at that. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, I need you to lean on the front of the car or something.
Okay. Jake wanted me to kind of pull back on this and shove it back. I checked this bolt hole back here to see if, you know, because they're not quite lined up. I was like, well, we need to pull this backwards. So watch this area. That's the radiator and the whole, all of the everything on the whole thing of all of it.
It's fine.
I like it. Well, there's the fender. It's on there. Jake's putting this trim piece back on around the headlight. So basically what had happened was this gap in this door wasn't sitting very nice. It was pretty good space up here and just jammed in there down low. So we got to looking. What was it, a body mount?
Yeah.
It was pretty much just you know, it was clapped out. There was nothing left.
So I fixed it.
How'd you fix it?
Oh, we put a wooden 4x4 block on the jack and shoved it under there and just jacked it up until the front of the car looked better. And then found an appropriate size body mount and replaced the... Oh no, we didn't replace it. We installed the new body mount right in next to the old body mount.
Raised up literally this whole corner.
Better pull the hood latch.
This whole corner of the car just kind of raised up. It was nice. So we'll get right on in here. Where is it?
Oh.
There, have some hood. Oh, welcome to the hood. So let's.
That hole stripped out, but just screw wouldn't quit spinning.
Will you run the prop? Yeah. Oh, okay. And we're coming down right there. Ow, my finger. No, I'm kidding. Can you see the makeshift body mount?
Yeah, you may have to take them off the stand. I don't know.
Oh yeah. Well, you can kind of see it right there. Wood. That's a piece of wood. You can see it right down in there. See it right there? That's wood. So off this frame rail, all of this was just bottomed out on there. So in turn, this whole fender was hanging down. We ended up having to take this wheel well out, attach it to the fender, and slide the whole assembly back on. It was a good time. It was a great time. But it worked, and it doesn't look too bad.
No.
What is it that you say? It's not too shabby.
It's just shabby enough.
That's right.
So, after all that, we got the body lines looking, I mean, this thing, it's nice.
So the body lines were never really the straightest after that tire flew off, because it just all of that. So the door ended up decent. It opens and closes without rubbing. Or does it rub? It doesn't rub.
You want to go get your nephew? He may be tangled up or something, like fast.
And this body line,
He's upset.
this line on this hood, isn't too bad. That front line isn't too bad. A little fat on this side. We don't need to talk about the front and the bumper. We just don't worry about that. And this side's pretty straight. So, all in all, total success on the new fender on the Malibu. I would always ask Jake day after day, here, you want this? I've asked him at least 1,000 times. Jokingly, as kind of an inside joke. So I'd say, hey man, you want to put the fender on that Malibu today? How you like that? And well, I'd say we finally got her deal.
I don't know if the hood will ever open again.
Ah. Are you gonna try it? Oh, yeah.
I forgot the secret of this car is to sit up here on the corner.
The secret of the car is to sit up there on the corner. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
What's up, Tucker? Big guy. Been being a turd today.
So that's it. The fender's on the Malibu. Maybe at some point. Maybe at some point it'll get painted. Thanks for watching.